The structural platers work at ship refurbishments and repair companies and apply welding skills to ships. They work in the steel shop, on the dry dock, and on board ships. The steel shop accommodates huge equipment like these thruster units which keep a ship steady on the water. This shop is where separate parts of a ship are repaired. 2 25-ton cranes are used for lifting heavy ship parts. Structural plating tools including cutting, welding and measuring equipment is kept in the stores and is all regularly tested for quality and safety and color-coded. A green tag means the equipment is safe to use. Safety is very important in ship repairs. Many jobs are done at the same time, often in a small space. Besides personal protective equipment, safety includes emergency evacuation plans. The structural plater is doing shell plate work, renewing parts of a ship's steel body. He removes the old welding marks, cuts away the damaged steel part, and then re-welds new steel onto the shell. The rough edges are then smoothed with a grinding machine. The structural plater also uses the guillotine to cut steel to size, the braw press to bend and form the steel into different shapes, and the plate roller to roll cylindrical structures. A typical structural plating job is to weld lugs or handles onto heavy parts for lifting by crane. A structural plater who is a fully qualified boilermaker will be able to read drawings and mark up steel plates, showing where they have to be cut and shaped. Here at the dry dock, the structural plater works on docked ships. All the necessary plating equipment is boxed to use on site, making a shipyard in a box. The dry dock work includes all the steel parts, and if the plater is a qualified pipe fitter, repairs include railings and pipes. Structural platers are boilermakers and can learn their skills on the job through apprenticeship. Their work requires strong technical aptitudes and attention to detail. Qualified artisans can become supervisors. Even though some of the work has been automated over time, it's still hands-on. It requires physical strength and a sense of adventure. Structural platers travel and work on sites all along Africa's coastline.